Yep, been there and there. I've pretty much been everywhere.
Bria! Rafa! Dan D's telling us all about their adventures. Come see!
Imagine traveling to the past.
Crayola Crew!
I hope Dan D found snacks on this adventure. I'm starving. One time, under the sea, I found a sunken treasure chest. But come to think of it, I never saw what was inside.
What if the treasure was something you could eat? Like 24 karat carrots.
Then I explored a jungle with a terrifying creature inside. Now, to be honest, I never saw them. I was already on to my next adventure.
Terrifying creature, come on out! We can imagine they're terrifyingly cute. Like a pig, dog, a corn.
Oh, how cute! Another time, I went to the beach to make an epic sandcastle. I mean, I meant to build a castle, but I ran out of time.
Why don't we make one right now?
We're going to need some big tools to make an epic sandcastle.
How about a giant excavator?
And a crane shaped like a crane?
Wow, there's so much to see. Even in places I've already been.
If you take time to look around, who knows what you'll find?
That was an adventure to remember.
I wonder what will make our next memory.
Bria, Rafa, y'all gotta see this.
Imagine the most epic snow day ever!
Crayola Crew!
Hey, y'all, check this out.
Whoa, Betty! Think your snow crew can play catch?
Only one way to find out. Are y'all ready?
Oh, I got it!
Oh, looks like the snow crew is getting the hang of this.
What should we try next? How about we make it rain snowballs? I fill up this bucket with snowballs, then with one pull, heads up, everybody!
Looking good, crew. How about we try something even cooler?
Like a high-powered snowball-making slide launcher. That's so fun!
That was brilliant. Now we gotta think big.
How can we throw a bunch of snowballs super fast and all at once?
Let's attach the launcher to the catapult.
Yeah! Come on, everybody!
May I present our extreme snowball catapult slide launcher?
All together now. 3, 2, 1.
Let it snow!
Now that's the cherry on top of our snow day.
That was so much fun! Wonder where we'll go next.
I need to add a super glittery slide. Right there!
Or how about a big window to let in the sunshine?
How will we ever decide? Bria, Rafa, we need your help.
Imagine creating the coolest clubhouse ever.
Okay, everyone. How are we gonna turn our clubhouse into the ultimate hangout spot?
How about something relaxing, like cloud beanbag chairs that can float?
I don't want to relax. I want to adventure. How about a climbing wall made out of silly putty?
On your mark, get set, climb!
That was so fun! But I want something more extreme.
I need a backflip, double backflip, no, triple backflip!
I know! We could have a super jumpy trampoline.
We need a spot to paint. How about a giant canvas wall?
These are all amazing ideas, but how will we choose?
What if we take the ideas and swirl them together?
You mean like a silly putty wall with a spinning canvas?
And a trampoline that lands on beanbag chairs?
Exactly. Let's keep those ideas swirling.
Oh, cool!
Neon-rific!
I wonder what adventure we'll swirl up next.
It's the first day of school.
And I don't know what to wear!
Bria Rafa, it's a fashion emergency!
Imagine going to school underwater.
Oh, I'm Allie. It's my first day, and I really want to stand out.
Okay, crew, let's think. What makes a perfect first day of school outfit?
Let's look around.
Oh, I see an idea. That coral would make a beautiful neon headband.
Wow, that'll really knock their socks off.
And speaking of socks, you've got 8 legs. How about a rainbow of 8 cool and colorful socks?
I love it!
Whoa! I didn't know you could do that!
People express themselves differently all over the world. I think Allie changes color when she's happy.
Yeah, I do.
Cool!
Hey, Allie, was that your bus?
Oh no! How am I gonna get to school?
Who needs a bus when your backpack has its very own turbo-fast propeller?
Wow! Thanks, crew! Gotta go!
Wait! We need a first day of school picture! Circle up, everyone!
Now get out there and make a splash!
Have fun at school!
I think we just got schooled.
What will we learn next?
Well, hello there. I'm Mackie, a jumbo crayon. I love exploring and discovering new things with my friends. What's that over there? When you're curious like me, everything's an adventure, like when we imagined doodle pets into reality. That's Blaze, my friend Rafa's doodle dragon. I always see magic in the small details. Ooh, like that rainbow on the apple. The world is jumbo, like me, and I can't wait to see it all. It's so fun to be creative with my friends. Once we created amazing constellations, you know, pictures in the stars, just by telling stories. I love sparking curiosity and helping everyone enjoy each moment. What was that? Come on, let's find out. Welcome to Dazzling Doodle Park, where doodle pets come to life. Blaze! How about doodle fetch?
A great idea! Our doodles imagine what they want and fetch it.
Crayola Crew!
Hey, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Fizz. I'm the most caring, extra special, and glittery crayon you've ever seen. This cake is missing something. Check this out. I can add sparkle to any situation. Glitterific! With a little sparkle, every day could be a celebration of you. Like one time, the sky didn't have any stars, so we told stories and drew our own constellations. The sky was dazzling, just like yours truly. I love to help my friends think outside the crayon box. Glitter crayons like me make everything shine brighter, even the darkest night sky. Ready to add some pizzazz? Oh yeah! See you soon!
And the Unibear and Robot were not at all spooky.
We joined them and became best friends.
We filled up the whole sky.
Crayola Crew! Imagine a castle made of cake! This place looks cozy!
And delicious!
It's not for eating, even though that dragon seems to think it is.
Oh no! The dragon ate your roof!
We need some bright ideas to fix the castle.
How about a frosting fire truck?
And a sprinkle cannon.
Those were bright ideas.
Thanks for decorating my birthday cake. I'm turning 312 years old.
Happy birthday! There's just one problem. This is her castle, not your cake.
Oh no!
What if we made a special birthday cake? Just for you. What kind of cake do you want?
Well, I love chocolate.
Me too. More chocolate, the better.
Perfect. And I love a whipped frosting.
What if it's cloudy with frosting?
It's missing one thing.
Every birthday cake needs
A candle!
Happy birthday, dragon! Blow out the candle and make a wish.
I think I'll need some help.
That was a sweet adventure! I wonder what we'll try next. Imagine if we could fly in the sky!
Whoa! The butterfly's wings turn to color when they land on a flower.
Oh, I wish I could fly like that.
Me too. My name's Flutter. I'm still learning to fly and I'm really nervous. It's okay to be nervous.
Yeah, maybe we can help you feel more confident.
How can we get up in the air to help you practice? That's a great idea!
How else can we help you get up there? Of course! Bubbles!
I heard that idea. Flutter! You're doing it!
Whoa! I got you. It's no use. If I can't fly up to the flowers, my wings will never be colorful.
You might not have noticed, but you flew down using your wings to save us.
You're right. I just went with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow.
Are you imagining what I'm imagining?
Yeah, let's all get wings.
Follow me. I'm going to get my colors.
Wow! What an adventure! I can't wait to see where we fly next.
Imagine a planet made of slime. Whoa! So much slime! Whoa!
Cool! Glittery slime like Fizz! It must change when we touch it.
Juby, where are you?
Hello there. We're the Crayola Crew. Who's Juby?
Juby's my lost pup, and my name's Crater.
Is Juby neon pink?
That's Juby!
Let's go! Oh no! How are we going to get to Juby? The floor is lava!
Remember when Fizz got stuck in the slime and it became glittery? I wonder if...
Wow, that's thinking outside the thought bubble.
I seem to have caused a reaction.
Wow, metallic like you.
I have an idea! You know what sticks to metal? Magnets!
Come on, boy. Time to go home.
He's having too much fun. I don't think he wants to leave.
Okay, 5 more minutes, Juby.
He's having the slime of his life.
Fin-Tastic! Let's join him!
That was out of this world.
I wonder where we'll land next. Imagine if we made music underwater.
This is Fin-Tastic. I can't wait to hear some underwater tunes.
DJ Mermaid is the best musician in all 7 seas. What was that? I think it's coming from back there. DJ Mermaid!
What's going on?
My DJ booth is going haywire. See? And the show's about to start.
Without her DJ booth, there won't be any music, and the concert will be canceled!
But I made us all matching shirts.
We need to help her.
Yeah! Imagine if we could find new ways to make music for her.
Maybe we should use our imaginations to make instruments, like a choral xylophone.
My turn! How about we create something out of bubbles?
That's great, Pinkie! How about a shell-sational set of drums?
It's missing one more thing.
The show is starting. Whoa, sweet jam. I got it. I know exactly what to do to save this concert. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can you sign our shirts?
Whoa! Good job! We did it! That was so much fun. I wonder what music we can make next.
Moo!
Whoa! Check out my ballerina spin!
And my superhero leap. Bria Rafa, come look.
Imagine if costumes gave you superpowers! This course looks amazing!
Where are our costumes?
You gotta imagine them!
If we want to jump through those hoops, we need a costume that soars. How about dragon wings?
Oh, yeah!
Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! These costumes are on fire!
Our wings are too big to fly through the tube.
And that looks like a long way to swim. Sounds like we need mermaid tails.
I'm ready to splish and splash.
Whoa, a climbing wall. Not sure our costumes will help us here.
How about robot arms with vacuums to stick to the wall?
All right, let's do this.
Come on, you got this!
We did it! Yeah!
Glitterific! You conquered the course!
I think I could get used to this costume.
Super adventures! Super fun!
I can't wait to fly into what's next.
There's Spark!
They jumped into that pop-up book. Bria, Rafa, come on!
Imagine going inside a pop-up book.
Crayola Crew!
Spark ran into that book. What should we do?
Let's go find them! Come on!
Are you sure?
It's okay, Pinkie. We'll be right beside you.
How are we gonna find Spark in the dark?
This is a pop-up book, right? Maybe we can change the moon to a sun.
Look! A pull tab! How do we get up there? How about a super springy spiral?
Then we can pull the tab!
We need one more crayon. Come on, Pinkie!
Oh, I can do it.
All right!
That sounds like Spark.
There they are!
Wait, sharks! How do we get across?
Look, another pull tab.
It changed the sharks into a bridge! Let's go, crew!
Wait! Someone has to hold the tab!
I'll do it. I'll hold the tab while you all cross.
Okay, Pinkie, be bold.
I did it? I did it!
You were bright and bold. That was amazing. I wonder where we'll pop into
Hey,
next.
pals. I'm Al, a Colors of the World crayon. I see creativity everywhere I go, and I've been everywhere. Look at all these places. Each one is full of characters with their own special stories. There was one time we swam down to the ocean floor for DJ Mermaid's concert, but her DJ booth was broken. We created new instruments from objects under the sea, and then she could see things from a new perspective. You can see or hear things in a different way too. All you have to do is take a deep breath and imagine the possibilities. I love celebrating my friends and their unique way of looking at the world. Colors of the World crayons like me bring everyone together, no matter who you are or where you're from. Are you ready for our next adventure? I'll be hanging around waiting for you.
Crayola Crew! Spin, 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 stop!
Yeah! The dizzy game is a whirlwind of fun. But what if we made it even dizzier? Rafa, Bria, we need your creativity!
Imagine if we made the spinniest, dizziest game ever!
Spin, 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 stop!
Whoa! Let's turn this dizzy game up a notch.
What's something that spins even faster than we can? I got it! Super fast swivel seats!
Whoa! That's definitely spinny, but I think we can make it even spinnier. What if we had something that could spin us around in the air? Like a jetpack!
That was extreme! Maybe too extreme.
How can we spin even faster without getting tied up?
Well, what if we could spin like a colorful top?
Get ready to spin! 1, 2, swirl it up!
Whoa! Yeah!
Now that's a dizzy maker!
Why is the floor so wobbly?
And colorful! Look!
What a wild whirl of color!
What a fun day! I wonder what idea will spin up next.
Check out this map. Bria, Rafa, want to go on a jungle adventure?
Imagine solving a mystery in the jungle.
This map will help us find our lost friend, Dan D.
Look! This says we have to go through the jungle to a mystical cave full of wonders.
I wonder which way we need to go.
It says it's that way, but I don't know which path to take.
If these trees weren't in the way, then we'd be able to see the cave.
Imagine if we were tall enough to see over them. How about extendo boots?
There's the cave, and it's at the end of this path. Let's go!
This must be the door to the cave, but it's blocked by that big rock. There's 2 keyholes. Maybe we need 2 keys.
We can imagine them. This one reminds me of a monkey riding a motorcycle!
What would fit in here? A real submarine sandwich.
We're in!
The map says Dan D should be here. Did someone say my name?
Whoa!
Ah, Crayola Crew. I was wondering when you'd show up. Dan D, we found you!
Yeah!
You're all true adventurers. Now, where'd you put that sandwich? I'm starving.
I can't wait to see where our map takes us next.
Hi, everybody! I'm Pinkie, a bold and bright crayon. I love to sing, dance, and put on a show. For me, every day is about shining bright and doing your best. One time, we created our own volcano fireworks, which definitely popped. That was a capital SHOW show. Another time, my friends and I wanted to make the funnest, farthest, fastest, and coolest ski jump ever. But none of our ideas were spectacular enough. We had to work together to make the funnest, fastest, coolest, you get the idea, sled ever! I love when my friends share bold ideas because bold and bright crayons like me make every idea pop right off the page. Ready to create something super duper amazing? All you have to do is think pink, and you're a star. Just step into the spotlight. Let's give these slopes a show! Yeah! Woohoo!
Crayola Crew! Imagine a world where everything is made of balloons!
Whoa! Do you hear that?
We're bored. We've played every game ever. Can you play with us?
Imagine if we invented a new game!
Okay, crew, time to get creative.
Ooh, somersaults? There should definitely be somersaults.
Nice bounce, Neo. How about a super bouncy trampoline?
Yeah! And hoops to flip through.
On your spark, get set, go!
They're running for the hoop! They bounce! They hop! They pose! They score!
That was so much fun!
But what happens if we play this game too much? Will we get bored of it too?
It would be great if we have a couple of options. Imagine if you always have a new game to play.
Yeah, like a game mixer-upper. Jazzberry Jam. You'll have a new game every time you spin it.
We never run out of games again.
Now we just need more game ideas.
How about bouncy karaoke?
Coming right up! Hide and seek!
Flower fencing.
Dragon dance-off!
Silly dumb faces!
Glitterific!
Come on, Duck. Give it a spin. That was so fun! I thought I was going to burst!
Yeah! I wonder what adventure will pop up next.
Imagine if Doodle Pets were real!
Welcome to Dazzling Doodle Park, where Doodle Pets come to life.
Blaze! My Doodle Pet!
Oh, who's this little one?
This is lovely! My doodle!
Our doodles are real!
They want to play!
How about Doodle Fetch?
A great idea! Our doodles imagine what they want and fetch it.
What would you like to play with?
What about you, Blaze? Okay. 3, 2, 1, fetch!
Whew, that was so fun! One more time?
I think they're tired and hungry.
What kind of food do unicorns and dragons eat? Maybe we need to let them choose. Go ahead. Pick whatever you want.
Blaze's turn. They were hungry.
And now they're messy!
Ooh, maybe we should give them a bath.
Great idea! Spa time!
Now we should clean them off.
Well, if you can't bathe them, join them.
What a really great pet project! I wonder where we'll go next. Imagine building the coolest park ever! Whoa!
Watch out! I loved it! Let's go again!
This is the coolest playground I've ever seen!
Nothing could ruin this day!
Whoa! Hi, Cloud!
Oh, hello. I'm Cloudy. Looks like you're having a great time down there. Don't worry, I'll be on my way so I don't rain on your fun.
I think Cloudy feels left out.
Rain or shine, let's make this day great! Let's mix our colors together and imagine what we can do!
A water slide! Imagine if we turned the park into a water park.
What do we need to make our dry park a wet park?
Just add water. We need your help, Cloudy.
Who, me?
We want to turn this park into a water park.
Yeah, when we tell you, bring on the rain!
Rainy day water park. That's great.
What about a slip and slide?
And we can land in a playground splash zone.
Okay, Cloudy, are you ready?
Here we flow.
Woohoo! Yeah!
You made this rain cloud feel very sunny today. Thank you.
What a fun day! I wonder what's in the forecast for our next adventure.
Imagine we were giant-sized movie monsters.
Great job, everyone! This is going to be the coolest movie ever! Now, do you have any questions about your scripts?
How am I going to breathe atomic fire?
Oh, you can't breathe atomic fire?
How about party streamers? Those kind of look like fire.
I'm a big fan of that idea. And we can use a big fan, too.
And action!
Rafa, your turn.
Pinkie, it says I fly here. I'm pretty sure I can't fly.
Sure.
Nope. How about we attach the camera to me and attach me to a drone?
And action!
Yeah!
Cut! All we need is one more shot. Fizz, are you ready?
Where's Fizz?
Just getting dressed and ready to show off my, sea monster water jets?
In a world where the town is tiny, the monsters are a little bigger, and there's giant action. Monster Mania!
Check out my atomic breath!
I'm flying and I'm a monster! I'm some kind of flying monster!
I'm gonna make a splash!
Monster Mania! See it in theaters if we ever finish it.
Oh,
Oh, that was lights, cameras, fun! I wonder what we'll do next!
Oh, imagine if we created a ship that could sail around the whole world! Whoa! What a cool ship!
It looks like it's stuck.
Ahoy! We crash landed and we can't agree on how to fix our ship.
Faster!
Ryder! More fun!
As you can see, we have some bones to pick with each other.
This sounds like a job.
For the Crayola Crew!
Aye, sounds like jumbo fun.
Our sail is broken and we can't go fast anymore.
You have a need for speed.
Our lantern broke. It's going to be so dark on the ship at night.
You gotta be able to see the sea.
Steering the ship can get pretty dull. Can we add something to make it extra special?
That's what glitter crayons do best.
Now we know what the crew needs, but how do we make it happen? My sailor wants speed. What's faster than any old sail? What about shark fins with super powerful jets on them?
Whoa, great job, Bria. My sailor still needs to see in the dark. There's that broken sail. What if we turned it into a neon lighthouse? In 3, 2, 1, open!
A ship-shaped shark ship with the lookout lighthouse? It's perfect! Don't forget my favorite part. Now you can navigate with pizzazz! You can join our crew anytime.
And you'll always have a port to visit here.
That was a boatload of fun. I can't wait to set sail on our next adventure.
Greetings, friends. I'm Lloyd, a metallic crayon. I love science and discovering how things work. Shimmer plus creativity equals me. One time, I used my shine to change the properties of a slime waterfall so we could use magnets to climb to the top. There was another time when we were stranded on an alien planet, so we needed to use both science and imagination to get home. Eureka! Metallic crayons like me take everyone's creativity out of this world. Remember, the next discovery is right around the corner. When you let your imagination shine, there's no limit to what you can create.
Lloyd, what about you? You can make them
metallic! Now they won't fall apart.
Oh, it's out of this world!
Crayola Crew!
Imagine we could fly through space!
Welcome to the deck of the Comet Crayon, a spaceship out of your imagination.
Everyone strap in. We're about to launch into deep space.
In 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Wow, this is incredible!
That doesn't sound right.
We should land to make sure the ship's okay.
Oh, maybe we can imagine a planet to land on.
A whole planet? That would take
all our imaginations!
The ship is broken.
How are we going to get home?
We need to find a way to get the spaceship flying again.
Whoa, giant butterflies! I wish we could fly like that.
Yeah! Why don't we add wings to the spaceship?
Those leaves kind of look like wings. Maybe those will work.
Wow, that's a great idea. But I'm not entirely certain leaves will work in deep space.
There's gotta be a way. We saw an alien butterfly in the forest. Maybe we should just turn them into butterfly wings.
That gets us flying, but even butterfly wings won't be strong enough.
Lloyd, what about you? You can make them
metallic! Now they won't fall apart.
Whoa, it's out of this world!
Now let's get out of this world! Space might be the final frontier, but where will we go next?